So you can always go back in time, even before the drywall is put in. What's inside? How does it look like? So you can actually get to see that and start comparing it. My name is Swathi Kotali. I'm currently working as a regional VDC Manager, and I oversee the Southeast Division, Atlanta, for Yates Construction. It's not just limited to VDC coordination, but we do oversee drone deploy, how we use our drones at the site, and we also lead the data and analytics part of it. So the current project that we launched DroneDeploy first is a courthouse. So in the courthouse, we have a lot of different parts and pieces where we have a prefab cells, and at the same time we have a sheriff's office and also a courthouse, which looks really nice. On the other side, you have the jail with all the prefab cells, and it's a very, very cool building. The cool thing is now we have the data and we are talking through it, and we are actually, okay, this is how your electrical work was before the walls. So when we started to show them and talk through it, I think now it's more transparent, right? The more transparent you are, all these different parties, they trust you more, and then you have repeat work. Before, it was completely a different workflow. We were never really used to using cameras on the job site, but later on, when we really started to bring DroneDeploy or the 360 cameras usage onto the job site, people started to like it. In my division, it's 100% we're using on our projects, even before the drywall is put in. You can actually get to see that and start comparing it. We are asking all our field engineers or superintendents or safety QA/QC to start inputting the field notes into it. So when they start inputting the field notes, it's more transparent and it's bringing all the teams at the same place. You automatically get those emails. And it's not only just on the people on job site. Our divisional manager, he gets to see everything as well. So now it's become a lot easier for all these different teams.